In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the WhiteSur-GTK theme on XFCE 4. WhiteSur is a sleek, modern theme inspired by macOS, and it's perfect for giving your XFCE desktop a fresh new look. Let's get started. First, we need to download the WhiteSur-GTK theme. Open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T or by searching for Terminal in your application menu. Once the terminal is open, run this command to clone the WhiteSur-GTK theme repository from GitHub. This will download the theme files to your computer. I will link all the commands I use here in description. After the download is complete, navigate into the theme directory by typing this command. Now, let's install the theme. Run the installation script by typing this command. This will install the WhiteSur theme to your Themes directory. If you want to install the theme system-wide for all users, use this command instead. Once the theme is installed, it's time to apply it. Open the Settings Manager in XFCE 4. You can find it in your application menu. Next, go to Appearance. Here, you'll see a list of available themes. Select WhiteSur from the list. You can also install the WhiteSur-icon-theme, cursor theme, and SF Pro fonts for a complete look. To install the icon theme, open your terminal again and run these commands. Then, go back to the Settings Manager, select Icons, and choose the WhiteSur icon theme. For the cursor theme, run these commands in the terminal. Go to Mouse and Touchpad in the Settings Manager and select the WhiteSur-cursor theme. To install fonts, run these commands. Go to Settings again and apply the fonts. And that's it. You've successfully installed and applied the WhiteSur-GTK theme on XFCE 4. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.